in this dark open space, to feel your presence while I'm there, sitting and thinking, here alone, to make this song and appreciate the things you've done in our lives. Even though I haven't thanked enough your unconditional love, I can't say out loud, so I sing and shout. So let us pour out our fiery hearts to worship on the seventh day, on Sabbath. We are feasting in the festive tabernacle. If you have trials, count it all as joy. So we must prepare ourselves and quicken for the rapture. Life's a one-way ticket. All the mysteries already revealed. Before the foundation of the world, we're already saved. So we must work out our own salvation with trembling and fear. When its glory will be revealed, you'll be glad with exceeding joy. So let us pour out our fiery hearts to worship on the seventh day, on Sabbath. We are feasting in the festive tabernacle. If you have trials, count it all as joy. So we must prepare ourselves. So let us pour out our fiery hearts to worship on the seventh day, on Sabbath. We are feasting in the festive tabernacle. If you have trials, count it all as joy. So we must prepare ourselves. So let us pour out our fiery hearts to worship on the seventh day, on Sabbath. We are feasting in the festive tabernacle. If you have trials, count it all as joy. So we must prepare ourselves. So we must prepare ourselves. So we must prepare ourselves and quicken for